Original. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
She said no, 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 no.
The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
She said yeah,
the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Hey TayBaes, it's Taya. Welcome back to my channel. So I just got done recording my review for the wig that I'm wearing right now, which is Sensational Zanaya. So that video should be up by the time I post this one. So I will go ahead and leave a card up at the top if you would like to see more information about this wig that I'm wearing. However, this wig review is going to be on a different wig. So today in this video we're going to talk about the Daily Wig lace part wig, and I picked it up in the style Luna and the color 1B. So if you are interested in seeing what Luna looks like on me and hearing my thoughts about it, then keep on watching.
no, 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 no.
Original. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
She said no, 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 no.
The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
She said yeah,
the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man I tell her me she go low. Bad man I put you in a photo.
Which one makes your heart glow? That one or that one?
Makes my heart blow or glow?
Glow.
Blow? What does that mean?
What kind of wig makes your heart blow up?
Makes my heart blow up?
Mm-hmm.
So like makes me the happiest? That's a really interesting question.
Which one?
So which one do I like better?
Uh-huh.
Well, I think I really like this one because look how pretty it is. What do you think?
Yep.
You like this one, mama? Oh, baby likes this one. Thank you, sugars. Okay, you guys, talk about an easy wig. Like, as you noticed, she did not come with any lace to cut. And I just threw her on my head. And this is what she's looking like. And all I'm going to do to her is put some powder in the part right now. Because you see right here, I want to camouflage that front part just a little bit. And I'm just using my Sephora MicroSmooth powder in deep.
I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go down anywhere you wanna.
That's all I'm doing to this wig. Okay, you guys. Let me brush her out a little bit. Let me brush her out. And then we're going to talk about Miss Luna. She is so pretty. You guys, I'm impressed. Okay, you guys, I have Miss Luna on my head. So let's just talk a little bit about this wig. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm feeling her. I'm kind of feeling cute. Okay, guys, I have her on my head. And again, this is the Outre Daily Wig in the style Luna and the color 1B. And you guys, is this wig not so ridiculously cute? You guys, she is so cute. So cute and simple. And I'm actually kind of feeling myself off this $18 wig. What? Okay, Outre. So I have seen these daily wigs on the wig websites, and also on YouTube I've seen some of the other daily wigs that they have come out with, but this is my first time picking up one of Outre's wigs that are in the daily wig line. And I guess these wigs are supposed to be the wigs that you can just throw on, the wigs that you can wear for every day, and they're a lot quicker, easier, simpler, like a throw on and go type of wig. So this wig did not come with any lace to cut. It was literally just a throw on your head wig. And I mean, bam. I mean, we popped it like this. It was so easy. It even came, and I think I showed that clip already in here, but it even came with a drawstring already sewn into the cap as well. So I guess their aim with these wigs is just to make it really as simple as possible for every day, so you can wear her on the daily. And I'm not mad at it, you guys. I am honestly not mad at it at all. Okay, so Luna is in a bob style, and she is a really, really nice length in my opinion. Like, this is just like, I am like the straight, sleek bob in this 1B color. For some reason, it's just giving me so much life right now. Like, it's so simple, but I'm feeling real cute. Like, I'm feeling like I could wear her to work. I'm feeling like a little corporate baddie out here. Like, who do you think you are? Like, walking to work like, hey, bet you can't tell my wig was $18. All I did with this wig was put a little bit of powder right here at the front, because since they don't have any lace to cut in the front, it is a little bit wiggy right there at the front of the hairline. So I went ahead and put some powder in it to try to disguise that a little bit, and I think it looks pretty decent. Like, I bought this wig on Wig Type's website, and the price on the website is $17.94. Like, what more do you want from an $18 wig? Like, they did what they were supposed to do. Like, she's gorgeous. So I'm really liking this simple style, and I think that the hair feels really, really soft and really, really nice as well. Another thing that I really, really like about this wig is the luster on it. Look at that. It's like a nice, sleek, shiny but not too shiny wig. I feel like this would be perfect for work. I'm actually thinking that I might wear her to work next week just to see. I don't want to talk too much about this wig because it is a pretty simple style, but I do just kind of want to show you guys what she looks like on me. So she has premium synthetic fibers. They are heat resistant fibers up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The part is pre-plucked and hand tied, and it's an eye part. She comes with a breathable mesh cap. And I already mentioned that she's heat styling friendly and that she comes with the elastic band already sewn in. This wig cost me just under $18 from wigtypes.com, and I must say that, look at that movement. She's so cute. But I must say that I really, really like her. I don't know what else to say about this wig besides that if you have $18 to spare and you need an everyday bob, just go on and pick her up because she's cute, y'all. She's cute and she is simple. You just go on and throw her into your collection because why not? You got 20 bucks, sis. You do. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a quick 360, and then I think we can wrap this one up.
Oh no, bad man, me I put you on a first class.
No, 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 no.
Okay, you guys. Again, this is the Outre The Daily Wig in the style Luna in a color 1B. I personally really, really like her. I think that she looks incredible for the price that I paid for her. Let me know what you guys think about Luna down in the comments below. Okay guys, that's about it on this wig. Thank you so much for watching. I've got a couple more wigs to review and film right after this one, so be on the lookout for those in the near future as well. That's all I've got for this one, ladies. Remember to stay prepped, pretty, and poised, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So do you mean you're number one I control? So it really, really meant for the girls, may they come through.